Flakes. What? You're
What?
sweating.
What is the point of the flakes?
Oh my word! I've never seen you sweat so much.
Oh my god.
Today we're gonna try Korean ramen. We've seen so many videos about the bulldog carbonara and the
I don't know.
challenge. I don't know what challenge is called, but the Korean
There's a-
spicy noodle challenge. And we've had a lot of soju. That's
my favorite.
Salim's favorite, so we're just also gonna try some. And Salim has tried Milkis. I haven't, and this is the peach flavor. So we're gonna give all of this a go. I can't really have this because I'm breastfeeding. So, yeah.
I
this is-
shouldn't be having it, but
Do you think you're gonna finish it?
I'm Indian.
Okay, we'll see. But yeah, I've heard amazing things about the bulldog carbonara, so I'm so excited.
Doesn't it come with a warning or something like a Scoville level or like a?
I don't know. Look at the evil
Oh,
chilies.
that's the
That's
warning.
the warning.
The evil chilies. Look at the evil. There's evil chilies. I'm assuming the carbonara is like. It's gonna taste like the taste of carbonara. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna have mushrooms and
Yeah.
a little bit.
I
That's
wonder if
just
it's gonna
appetizing.
end up creamy though.
I think it will be. You know,
Okay.
Koreans always tend to do things like
Level
level
above.
above. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think we should start with that because if we start with this, then I might be KO.
Yeah. No, I think let's protect your stomach with this.
Yeah.
Protect your
let me
stomach
eat.
lining with this.
I haven't
and
eaten
this.
today, so
And then.
let me at least have some food and then do the
Okay,
challenge.
let's cook it.
Let's cook it. What is that? To catch the back of your throat just in case you don't choke.
So yeah, here we have the 3 times spicy, and then this is the carbonara bulldog. And yeah, ice, soju, and Milkis. I am excited for this.
Jeez, the smell coming from here is deadly.
It's delicious, but it's spicy.
Oh, really?
It's really delicious.
So you smile as you.
I was taken aback. I mean, if this is that spicy, then I'm afraid of that. You want to try the Milkis?
Yeah, if this is spicy,
It's really spicy, eh?
surprisingly.
Ooh. Okay, that was dumb. I don't know why I thought I had to shake that.
Wait, why did you shake it?
I don't know. I keep thinking it's juice. It's okay.
My tongue just goes. Pew.
It's okay. Very fizzy. Ooh.
Smells good.
Very perfumey.
Oh wow, that smells really good.
It's nice. I'm still. It doesn't taste like milk, which I'm
Yeah.
grateful for. It's really good.
That is really good.
Okay, one more bite of this.
I can't believe that's so spicy.
Should we do that? Oh no, let's have a bit more of this.
Yeah.
Protect our tummies.
Oof. That was shockingly spicy.
So good though.
It is good, yeah.
Even though it doesn't look as creamy, it is very, very creamy.
And for like packet noodles.
Very flavorful.
Mm.
Very tasty.
Wow. It's not as spicy now. The first bite, like.
It's still spicy, but anyway, you want to try and give that a go now? I'll start.
I thought you're not gonna do it.
No, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna have one spoonful.
Wait. Let's just summon up our Indian ancestors. Indian ancestry.
Oh, I'm scared.
I'm scared now because that was spicy.
Okay, people have done much worse. Should I
What
take
in
it?
history? Like just in general.
I mean, people have gone through more scarier stuff than this, so.
You went through pregnancy. Wait. I feel like we need to move your hair out the way.
What if I go crazy? Okay.
I'm sure you don't have water on hand.
Do you want to take it at the same time?
Yeah.
Let me get another.
No, I think we should do it at the same time.
Do you have your spoonful ready?
Oh, what are you doing? I'm going in.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
No.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I don't want to speak too soon. It's bolding.
Let's see how long we can go with that.
Okay.
Water?
Okay. It is building. I understand the heat. If you know what I mean.
Yeah. Oh my god. There's nothing. Are you gonna be able to finish this?
I don't know. Damn. I feel like I need another one too, so that the heat is not as bad.
This is hot. It's hot.
It's very hot.
Whew.
Oof, that water was like. Wow. Holy moly.
I'm gonna hold the water in. Whew. I'm so glad I'm breastfeeding.
Oh my god.
That is painful
That is painful.
and deceiving.
Yeah,
When I
because
first ate it, I was like, this is not bad.
I got immediate.
Yeah. Maybe the milk kiss will help? No, it's fizzy.
I don't care.
No, it's fizzy. It's gonna be worse. Okay, it's bad, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be.
It is bad though. Ooh. Oh my word. Why is it not going away?
Yeah, it's tough. The only way to eat it is fast.
Oh my lord.
Whew. You're going?
I feel
You
like I
need to-
have to.
You need to do it quickly. Like, don't even chew, just inhale. Oh my god. And I mean, obviously tap out if you...
Yeah.
That is rough. Let me get some water for you.
I'm kind of hungry though, so.
Don't stop. I am starting to feel a little better. Oh my word, you're almost done.
Good for you.
I'm so proud of you. Oh my word. Okay. I think you've done it. Last bite, last bite. Done. I think that counts. Whew. You are strong. I'm so glad I'm breastfeeding and I Okay, let's maybe drink water. Keep it in your
I'm
mouth.
fighting the demon.
Do you want ice on its own to numb your tongue?
It's not the tongue, it's here.
You're so strong.
Every time I breathe.
Okay.
Oh my lord, breathing is so hard.
This is good. You think you can handle the 4 times spicy?
No.
Not willing to try?
I
guess I'm asking at the wrong time.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my lord.
You are... I honestly would have tapped out. This is so good though. The carbonara one is... It's the one.
I'm glad you're enjoying it as well.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Is it bad? Is it as bad as the first bite or is it worse?
It's worse.
Really? Your eyes are going red.
It's worse. Oh, it's here.
Sorry. I don't know what the point of the flakes are. What you're sweating.
What is the point of the flakes?
Oh my word, I've never seen you sweat so much.
Oh my god.
Should I do a close-up of you?
I'm past the peak.
Oh, okay. Don't you wanna... Do you think Milkis will help?
Okay, I spoke to you.
Try the Milkis. You deserve 5 shots of soju. After that. This is so good.
Oh my lord.
I now understand why people are obsessed with this ramen. It's so different to any noodles I've had. I've had Indomie which is nice, but this carbonara one is just, the creaminess is amazing. This is my favorite noodles.
I'm hanging on for life here. I'm going on about Indomie now.
I'm sorry. Have you had anything as spicy as this before in your life?
This is because my lips are like.
Because we've eaten chilies.
Yeah.
We should do a chili eating competition. But I can handle chilies.
I think after this, I'll. You know what it is? Okay, it's starting to. I'm trying to explain the different flavors, but every time I breathe in, it hurts. The flavors, the different stages.
What flavors?
Stages.
I must say, this is very spicy.
That was super spicy. That one shocked me. When I tasted that, I was like...
I was not expecting that.
Oh, sorry, I had to burp.
It's okay. Do your thing.
Wow.
I will, when I'm not breastfeeding again anymore, I will have a whole packet of the 3 times spicy.
I'm sure you're feeling it too, though.
No, I'm fine. This is spicy. I'm eating this. The one bite was fine. I'm surprisingly okay now.
I feel like if I just had the one bite, I would still be feeling this way.
Oh, really? No. Or maybe I am more tolerant of it than you are.
Maybe. I felt it here, like it was pulsing. Here.
Shame.
Then it started moving through my mouth to my tongue. My tongue side. Then it went to my lips.
It opened up your cavities, your nasal cavities. Yeah.
Jesus. Now it's at the front of my tongue.
Oh, there's still ice.
Oh, why is this not ending?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you want ice cream? Are you sure the creaminess might?
This is my safe space.
Well done. Proud of you.
Oh, God.
I think ice cream will help. What's the harm in trying? Do you want? I'll bring it in this bowl.
Oh. It's like getting easier, but very slowly, if you know what I mean.
It's ice cream.
It's like 100%. Then like 5 minutes later, it's like 99. God.
Is that better than the water?
I don't know. I think so.
Should I save you a bite of this?
It's cool. You can have more spicy. The ice cream helped a lot. A lot. But I think I was nearing the end of the... Yeah. Wow. Like, it actually hurts here. Not like insanely, but like... Are those your glands?
I have never felt those plans.
I felt them today.
I think if you're really hungry, maybe I felt them, but no, I don't know what you're talking about. This is spicy.
That one tricked me.
That's so weird. I think I've seen people, when we make the bulldog, I've seen them only use half the packet of the red sauce. So clearly we're not the only ones who find this spicy.
Oh, you mean this one?
Wow. That was interesting. I like the bulldog carbonara. I like how spicy it is.
Yeah, I also like all spicy. I don't know if I could do that again.
No. I mean, I will, just to
Experience it.
experience
One
it.
experience is enough.
But yeah. I can't believe people eat that. Like, in Korea, do they...
I don't know.
Is it
There's no
a...
way.
like a challenge, or do people genuinely feel like 3 times spicy noodles on a Friday night and they just like enjoying it?
Watching a movie.
Yeah, eating 3 times spicy.
There's no way. There's no way. I wonder how long it's been, because my tongue is still on fire.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm fine. Do you want more ice cream?
Yeah, the ice cream right now. Oh, wow. Oh, my Lord. Oh, baby's crying. Where's my baby?
Excuse me?
Hey, Nana. Yeah, you had a good sleepies. Okay.
Wait, let me put him on the chair. I'm going to quickly end.
Yeah, I think we can I'll have a shot of soju to end as a celebration.
Okay, let's go to
Mwah. Did you have a good sleep? You did? Yeah.
Okay. I think we can get a pack of the bulldog carbonara.
Yeah.
It's a good meal for Friday night when you're tired and you don't want to cook anything.
Was that a shot?
You deserve it.
To the 3 times spicy challenge.
Nice. Well done. As good as you remember it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for joining us on our journey.
If you have any other recommendations, challenges, hopefully not spicy challenges.
No, we have to do the 4 times spicy. But yeah,
Wait, the soju just activated it again. Oh my god.
I can see why people love the ramen challenge and love Samyang noodles. It's really good.
Yeah.
It's good noodles.
With the soju.
Okay, thanks guys. Bye.
Whoa. Like it's still.
My teeth. Oh.
How did you have ice cream and apple?
My teeth. Sorry. I have sensitive teeth.
You should do an ice cream challenge, apparently. Hey,
Okay.
Kit Kat.
Cut.
Wow. Yo.